Hello, it's me again. Today is a very lazy Sunday, so that's why my hair is disheveled. I'm not shaved, but that's okay, because today is another round of lazy cooking. So what we're going to cook today, I'm going to teach you my lazy way of cooking pasta and how to make sauce from just minced meat, garlic, and a couple of other herbs and stuff like that. All right. Now, here's the first rule of lazy cooking. Okay, if you're going to make pasta or noodles, you should invest in this thing. Okay, you know the mee pok man, the fishball noodle guy. He uses this, right? Yes, that's how you should cook. All right. Then you don't have to use a ladle or whatever it is to keep fishing out your pasta, right? So here's what I'm gonna do, right? Just like that. Okay, I'm trying to eat less because I'm very fat already, okay? So then just put it in. Now, if you notice, my water is actually, okay, you can't see it, so let me show you. The water isn't boiling, okay, but that's okay. You can always put it in anyway because that's part of the whole lazy cooking process. Haha! Yes, you can shave and save a couple of minutes by just putting it in the pot too, while the water hasn't boiled yet. So that saves you about maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Anyway, you can always see the texture of the pasta. Yeah. All right. So how long does this take? Yeah. Anyway, it doesn't matter. If you're lazy, you don't really need al dente, right? So just add my salt. Okay, so now while the pasta is boiling, I'm going to start preparing the meat. I'm going to heat up the oil and then add in the garlic and then a few other spices and stuff like that. Alright, so here we go. 加油! Okay, then make sure that the oil is well spread out. And then, because this is lazy cooking, you can always use pre-minced garlic. So I'm using this one. Yeah. Be careful not to pour in the water because this one is a bit wet. So if you mix hot water with oil, it will splatter all over the place. Right? So in we go. Now that the garlic is starting to get very brown, we can start to transfer the minced meat into the frying pan. Okay, while we are browning the meat, we can add a couple of herbs and spices. So one of my favorite herbs is this Italian herb. The other one is cayenne pepper. Alright, so let's just add it in. Okay. Cayenne pepper is to make it really nice and spicy. Alright, there's another spice that I like to add. It's called paprika. This adds a nice smoky flavor to what you're cooking. Okay, so add it all in. Okay, and stir it about. Alright. Now, of course, we must not forget to add salt to this. Right. So one of the things I like to add is pink Himalayan salt with garlic. Okay, so just put a bit of salt, okay, just like that. If you wanted to, you can also put in some black pepper, just for flavor. Now, you can take your time to do this because what we're doing is we want to brown the meat. The more, not to make it burn, but to brown it. Because the more brown it is, the more caramelized it is, the more flavorful it will be. Alright. Okay, now that the meat is all nice and brown, we can add in some tomatoes, alright? Just to make the sauce. Eventually I want to make this into a sauce. So just for some vegetables and for the sake of some vegetables, and tomatoes, when you heat up tomatoes, they will release what they call umami flavor. So that will make it even more delicious, more flavorful, right? Now, as I'm doing this, it's also very important to check on the pasta, right? So, just give a nice shake. Shake and stir. Okay, it's cooking very nicely. Okay, now I'm going to teach you a really quick and easy, lazy way to make a creamy and delicious pasta sauce. Alright, so the first thing you need is onion powder. Alright, so let's take that out and then pour in some onion powder. Okay, very good. Okay, Then we need some garlic powder, right? Then we add our garlic powder, okay? And then because I like my food to be spicy, I put lots of chili, okay? Dried chili flakes. The more the merrier, okay? Like so, okay? And then we mix in this. This is the secret to getting healthy, creamy sauce, alright? Greek yogurt, alright? Just take a couple of spoons. I know some of you might be saying, oh, but isn't Greek yogurt very sour? Well, it's not that sour. I guess it's an acquired taste, but this is really good for savory dishes. Maybe you might be too used to eating what you call dessert yogurt, okay? So don't worry, just add a couple of spoons depending on how wet or whatever you want your thing to be, okay? So let's go with, let's go with this much, alright? So then I will just mix it all in. Of course, right now it is a bit hard to mix it in, right? Because now everything is pretty kind of solid, right? The yogurt is cold. So what we can do is we can add some of the pasta water into this bowl. Don't add the pasta yet, alright? Okay, so now I have some of the pasta water mixed in, so it becomes a bit easier to stir it in, right? So let's mix that into our sauce. Okay, like so. Okay, and now let's start to add the things from the frying pan. Right. So let's add this. Okay, don't forget we have a lot of the flavors is also in here. So we add this into our sauce first. Let me just put a bit more of the tomato. Okay. The rest I will be using for dinner. Yeah, keeping it for dinner. Then you mix it in. So all that flavors that we had just now from the browning the meat and the garlic and all that, okay, all mix it in. And as you can see, the color of our sauce is also changing. So just now it was white because of the yogurt, and now it's a very nice light brown color. Delicious, right? So let me reiterate, this is lazy cooking. And you know why this is called lazy cooking? Because we want to do everything as lazy as possible, the least effort that we can get away with. So into all the pasta goes in like that, and voila, we're done. Notice how you don't have to do any fishing, right? So then you just stir. Look at that, all that pasta sauce goodness. It's going to make for a really great delicious lunch, yeah? Okay, now that we're done, let us add our garnishing, alright? Okay, so some parsley flakes, and then of course some fried shallots. Okay lah, put some more. And we're done. So there you have it, lunch that is ready to serve. Look at that. And this whole thing was done in 20 minutes. Could have been faster if I wasn't talking to this camera, but yeah, there you have it. Lazy way of cooking. Come. Let me eat and show you how good this is. Damn, so good. Okay, I'm going to eat my lunch already. Bye-bye.